You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this French name, the name of this luxury shop, gourmet food and deli company established in Paris, so famous. If you want to learn more names from French and famous places to visit in Paris, France, in Paris, stay tuned. French pronunciation, Fauchon. Faux, as in the word faux, Fauchon. CH in French is pronounced like SH, Fauchon. Fauchon, you could say. English pronunciation, Fauchon. French pronunciation, how to pronounce Fauchon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.